Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear DASALLA. This is COP 13. Our title is Online Portable Learning Platform. This is our member, Baldinar leader. Members, Raymart Espartinez, Nolasco, Kristine May V, Parrera, Precy, Pisalbon, Wendyll.
Hi, my name is Raymart Espartinez. I'm discussing Chapter 1. Introduction. The learning platform can be used in education institutes, mainly school, college, and universities, besides corporate organizations. Banks can also use this system for training purposes and easy employee assessment. The confidential data and official documents of the organization can be easily managed or organized with the help of learning platform. Let's take into consider the benefits of learning platform if integrated into education institute, school, college, and university. An effective learning platform that is embedded in the working practices of the education institutes can offer a wide range of benefits to teacher, pupils, parents, and at the same time support management and administration. Background of study. The resources offered to you for learning online will depend on the institution where you take your online program. Some online learning program may require you to order physical textbook in advance in the mail, but these are generally being phased out in favor of ebook and online only method of delivery. For those institutions that have made the transition to using 100% online resources, students can expect to study using combination of cutting-edge technologies resources with no need to travel to attend lecture, exam, or in-person discussion session. Taking an online learning program, you'll be officially registered student at your institution and have access to the same resources as an on-campus student, like your institution digital library, learning management system, like Blackboard, student union member, and more. An online degree is similar to taking a degree program campus, but you have the freedom to direct your study schedule. Statement of the problem. Educational technology has both general and specialized meaning to the lay public and to a majority of educators. The term referred to educational use of computer, television, and other kinds of electronic hardware and software. Specialists in education technology, in particular college, university faculty who conduct research and teach courses on educational technology, prefer the term educational technology because it draws attention to the Introduction Use of Educational Technology. Main problem. So here are the main problem in our study. First is not all students can afford online classes. We all know the Philippines has a lot of issue regarding internet connection. Families who are living in low-class society can buy gadget for their children. Specific problem. First, no internet or gadget that can be used as I mentioned earlier. There are families with low income who cannot afford that. Second, placing on online learning at your organization. Many students will not easily adjust that system. That's why there are many advantages and disadvantages that will build in. Objective of study. The main objective was to study about online portable learning platform to help student learning through online platform, to improve online learning, to help a government to campaign online learning. Specific objective, to enhance online learning platform, to provide an online platform learning, to help government to provide basic educational students. Significance of study. This study intended to help the government to continue the uses of online studies rather than face-to-face. Project scope and limitation. The primary schooler are the target of this study to improve their skill at young age.
Foreign literature. Adams Randall and Claus 2015. Moreover, several studies seem to agree that blended learning is achievable according to the relative time spent on respectively online and F2F instruction in courses. Local literature. Online students need to feel connected to the educator, to other students in the course, and to the course content. Southard, Redoubt, and Preharris 2015. Foreign study. According to Bernard 2014, who builds on Graham's definition 2000, blended learning can be defined as the combination of instruction from two historical separate models of teaching and learning. Local study. The term blended learning and hybrid learning sometimes seem to be used interchangeable. Ryan 2016.
Hi, my name is Kristine May V, Nolasco, and this is my presentation, Chapter 3. Risk analysis. Inability to focus on the screen for many students. One of the biggest challenges of the online learning is the struggle with the focusing on the screen for a long period of time. Source of isolation. Students can learn a lot from being accompanied of their peers. However, in an online class, there are many minimal physical interaction between students. Teaching training. Online learning requires teachers to have a basic understanding of using digital forms of learning. Manage screen time. Many parents are concerned about the health hazard of having their children spend many hours staring at a screen. This increases screen time in one of the biggest concerns in this aspect of this online learning. In this Here in its analysis is focused on zero to use because this can damage excessive computer use of other use, but it also makes it easier and less verbal to view because it is easy to find. Next is cost analysis. Cost analysis here show this use or available in producing our system. The first is computer package. Second is internet in 1 month, and the final is web hosting. But the first computer package is 15,000 total, and second is internet in 1 month, and the final is the web hosting. We are not paying it is so sometimes the system is dark, but it's easy to return it. Next is SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is strength, weakness, opportunities, threats. First one is strength. This is safe with students, easy access. It allows students to learn in high quality on their own gadgets, develop new online resources, cost efficacy. And second is weakness, software issue. Everyone has access here, lack of internet connection and electricity. Next is opportunities, flexibility, reduced cost, access to expertise, increased instruction, reduced time. Threats is stereotype activities, device theft or loss, unsecure website, less secure apps. What analysis show weakness, strengths, opportunities, and threats. In his test show that it's safe to use, especially to the student. But is his weakness that not smooth the software because website should also be paid or franchise. Here is a low cost and opportunity is low cost and more than can be done here. And the threats is here is information can be still and here because we are not used to strictly. And next is project schedule. In this is my project schedule in 2 months. Here you will see the day we create the system 2 months ago. And lastly is the human resources management. Here showed the importance of human resources management. Human resources management research is used to evaluate HR practice and performance. Pre-online human resources courses with to introduce you to most important probability of a human resources management, as well as the most essential modern human resources management is designed to assist to the needs of employees. Human resources implements the rules and regulation. Another function of human resources is the gather information and review the employees' need in research human resources and review the researchers' work.
Research. Project Development Methodology. This software will help the government in supporting the elementary students to continue their learning without face-to-face arrangement. Dito makatulong to sa gobyerno para sa mga bata natin sa elementarya na nag-aaral. Kahit na hindi tayo face-to-face ngayon. Dahil dito naka-decide ang software na ito kung sa oras ng pandemya makapagpatuloy pa rin turuan sila. The research first collect the necessary details needed to create the learning system that will help the e-learnings. Second, the team gathering all the details. Dito parang dictionary. I-search lang nila kung ano yung hinahanap nila. Tapos makikita nila yun. Ito yung data flow ng namin. Una, yung username, tapos yung admin, tapos i-enter mo username tsaka password. Tapos papasok na siya sa database. Tsaka i-open mo yung user panel. Tapos para ma-verify. Tapos ma-open na yung open admin panel. Paano yung system namin? Makakatulong siya sa mga estudyante. Lalo na ngayong pandemya. Madali sila makahanap ng kanilang hanapin sa pag-search. Halimbawa, mag-search na ba sa nangyayari dito sa pandemya. I-search lang nila doon, tapos lalabas na yun. Ayun lang po, thank you.
Good day, I'm Precy Parrera from Cainta campus. Chapter 5 consists of project testing, implementation, and evaluation. Project testing plan. Online portable learning platform used to learn the things with ease using only their smartphone or simple devices that has access to the internet. We, the researchers, conducted the project testing from a few elementary students. They test the system by searching the topics or the words that their needs. We also do the same thing as we search the words for elementary subjects to test its accuracy function and if it is having an error. Project testing plan. The user can access online portable learning platform by using any devices that has access to the internet. So, the researcher testing the project from a few elementary students by searching the keywords of the topic they needed to test if the system have a no error. Project test result. As we finished the project testing, we knew that system is working properly and there's no error, but we conducted a limited word to search. Therefore, the researcher or the admin can add some more ideas or topics. Project test result. After the project testing, we testify that there's no error in our system, even though our content is limited only. Therefore, the admin can add or publish some more ideas and topics. User manual. Step 1, go to link. Step 2, click dictionaries button. And step 3, search topics. And user manual. Step 1, the users go to link and click the dictionaries button. But some changes of system, there's possible that the user will direct to the searching panel. Installation instructions. Component. Any device that is capable to install a browser. It is important that the users have a device that is capable to access the internet and install a browser. In installation, install any kind of browser in your device. After installing the browser, go to link of our website and search it. You will need an internet connection to access our website. Evaluation summary. We, the researcher, conducted the evaluation by gathering a data of the few elementary students which enrolled or not enrolled to school. On this data, we testify and analyze the system's accuracy, usefulness, and effectiveness. Based on the result, we say that the systems are working and no error, though the phase that we did. By gathering data or testing the project from a few grade school students, we analyze that the system is useful and effective with no errors.
Hi, good day. My name is Wendyll Pisalbon from Cainta campus. I will discuss Chapter 6. Summary. During this time of pandemic, technologies and internet are useful to people's needs. Technologies will help the people to access different information without hassle. When the government announced that the school year 2020 to 2021 will be pushed through, the team decided to create a website that will help the elementary student as well as the teachers to help them access the internet. Using this system, searching basic information is much easy. The problem in this system is the internet connection, but it can be resolved by setting stable internet connections. We all know that this year has a huge challenge, just not in our everyday life, but also in studies. To help the students with their learning, our team decided to create a system-based website that will enable the student to search basic information through web. This search engine, when they type names or question, the system will give information. Conclusion. Online platform learning platform is the website that will help the student to search basic information that will help them in their schoolworks. The admins will input information, and when the student input words or question in search engine, the system will direct them into the information they needed. Using the system, our TEMA conclude that the searching of this basic information will be easier and faster. Recommendation. The researchers still have a flaws and recommendation that could make their system extend to a greater degree, which the user can use the system with stability. It also could be better if the system could easily to reach without down system because of the web hosting. We recommend to test the system and enhance the system to serve better. Using it offline mode is a big help. Appendix. Software screenshot refers to a source code. Appendix A shows the screenshot of software which shows in a login form. Publishing features where you can publish any topics that are related to a grade school subject. And searching feature where user would be search their topic needed. That would be all. Thank you. This pandemic affect us mentally, emotionally, and financially. But despite those difficulties, we are all here. On behalf of my team, we would like to thank God and Sir DASALLA for giving us this opportunity. That would be all. Thank you.